The washer slides down and climbs up the right hand side of the block. It will keep on climbing, accelerating the block until the velocities of the washer and the block becomes equal. As soon as it becomes equal, it will slide back down the block, accelerating the block further. What we have here is V prime. This is the velocity of the washer with respect to the block. Let's mark this point as A. This is B. As soon as the washer starts climbing at B, the block detaches from the wall. Velocity of the washer at A is root over 2gr, which can be easily derived. It is at point C where the velocities of the washer and the block would be equal, and the washer stops climbing and descends. Using momentum conservation, we can write m2 root over 2gr is equal to m2 v prime plus m1 plus m2 v, where v prime is the relative velocity and v is the velocity of the block and the washer at point C. Now, writing the energy equation, keep in mind to always take velocities with respect to the ground. So we can write m2gr is equal to 1 by 2 m2 v2 square with respect to ground plus 1 by 2 m1 v1 square with respect to ground. Here v1 with respect to ground is v, velocity of the block, and v2 with respect to ground is equal to v prime plus v1 with respect to ground, which is v prime plus v. So from the momentum equation, we can bring out v prime. We can write v prime is equal to root 2gr minus m1 plus m2 divided by m2 times v. From the energy equation, we get 2gr is equal to v prime plus v whole square plus m1 by m2 v square. So we plugged in v prime plus v in place of v2g. Let's name these equations as 1 and 2. Now, putting equation 1 in equation 2 in place of v prime, we get 2gr is equal to root 2gr minus m1 plus m2 by m2 v plus v whole square plus m1 by m2 v square. Now further solving this equation, 2gr is equal to root 2gr m2 minus m1 plus m2 v plus m2 v whole square here divided by m2 plus m1 by m2 v square. Now solving further, we have 2gr is equal to root 2gr m2 minus m1v plus m2v minus m2v divided by m2 plus m1 by m2 v square. So m2v and m2v cancels out. So we have 2gr is equal to root 2gr minus m1v by m2 whole square plus m1 by m2 v square. Expanding this term, 2gr is equal to 2gr plus m1 square by m2 square v square minus twice root 2gr m1 by m2 v plus m1 by m2 v square. So 2gr cancels out, and bringing this term to the left hand side, we have 2gr m1 by m2 v is equal to m1 square by m2 square v square plus m1 by m2 v square. We can write this as m1 by m2 v square m1 by m2 plus 1 is equal to 2 root 2gr m1 by m2 v. From here m1, m2 and v cancels out, and we get 2 root 2gr equal to m1 plus m2 by m2 times v. So v here is twice m2 root 2gr divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the maximum velocity the block gains. This is our answer.